Ever find yourself staring at your plant shelf thinking, why are you still the same size as last week? Yep, we've all been there. Some plants take their sweet time while others shoot up like they're trying to reach the ceiling. In this video, we're diving into 10 indoor plants that grow noticeably fast, even with basic care. These are perfect if you're impatient like me or just want that instant jungle feel without waiting years. And be sure to stick around till the end, because the last one is a fast grower that people totally overlook. Let's get started. 1. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Let's kick things off with the pothos, probably the easiest and fastest growing vine out there. This plant grows so fast it's kind of hard to keep up. As long as you give it moderate light and water when the soil dries out, it'll reward you with long trailing vines in no time. It's also super flexible. You can let it trail from a shelf or train it up a pole. And the best part? You can snip a vine, pop it in water, and boom, another plant. If you're new to indoor plants, this one gives you quick wins fast. 2. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are the gift that keeps on giving. Not only do they grow fast, but they also send out little plantlets, called spiderets, that hang from the mother plant. With a bit of light and regular watering, you'll have a full hanging basket in just a few months. These babies grow so fast, they're often used to decorate schools, offices, and homes that need greenery quickly. They also adapt well to many conditions and are very forgiving if you forget to water once in a while. 3. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. Now, snake plants don't have the fastest reputation, but hear me out. If you give them good warmth and light, they grow way quicker than people think. They shoot up those bold, upright leaves that add structure and height. And they're practically indestructible. Perfect for beginners or folks who travel a lot. You might not notice daily growth, but look back after a few weeks. You'll be surprised. 4. Tradescantia, wandering dude. This one is super fun. Tradescantia grows fast and loves to trail, crawl, or even climb if you let it. It has stunning purple and green striped leaves, which makes it a showstopper, even when it's still small. With decent light and regular watering, it can double in size within a couple of months. It's the kind of plant that responds fast when it's happy, and it's pretty easy to take care of. Plus, trimming it encourages it to grow even bushier. 5. Peace lily, Spapilum. The peace lily isn't just about fast green growth. It also blooms regularly with beautiful white flowers. When it's happy, you'll see new leaves pop up all the time, and it fills out into a lush, full plant fairly quickly. It prefers medium to bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil, but not soggy. And one more thing. If it ever droops, just water it and watch it bounce back in a matter of hours. It's one of those plants that visibly responds to care, which makes it so satisfying. 6. Singonium, arrowhead plant. Singoniums grow fast and change as they grow. When they're young, they have arrow-shaped leaves, but as they mature, the leaf shape becomes more complex and dramatic. They love humidity and light, and if you let them climb, they go even faster. These plants are also pretty easy to prune and shape, so you can control whether it stays bushy or climbs up a pole. One small pot can turn into a lush display within a season. 7. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides. This plant is a little round-leafed powerhouse. Not only does it grow new leaves quickly, but it also shoots out pups, tiny baby plants at the base. With good light and water once a week, you'll be rewarded with a steady stream of growth. It's a plant that just keeps multiplying, and that makes it extra fun if you like sharing plants with friends or building your own plant army. 8. Philodendron, Heartleaf in Brazil. Philodendrons, Especially the heartleaf varieties are fast growers and super rewarding. They grow in vines like pothos, but their leaves are softer and often larger. If you give them support, like a moss pole, they'll climb. If not, they'll trail down beautifully. They also recover quickly if trimmed and are easy to propagate. Just one stem in water and you'll have a rooted cutting in no time. They're forgiving, adaptable, and thrive in most indoor spaces. 9. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Okay, I know this one seems slow when you first get it, but once it settles into your home, it'll start shooting up new stalks faster than you'd expect, especially during warmer months with decent light. Its glossy, upright leaves give a sculptural feel to any room. And it's a tough plant. It tolerates neglect, low light, and even dry air. If you're patient for a few weeks, it'll reward you with quick growth spurts that are honestly so satisfying to see. 10. Umbrella tree, Schefflera actinophila. And finally, this one deserves way more love. The umbrella tree grows tall and full, and it does it fast. In good light, it can grow several inches per month. And if you prune it correctly, it branches out and becomes this full, bushy indoor tree. It's not super picky, but does appreciate some direct morning light and regular watering. If you've got the space for a larger plant and want something that gives you height and volume quickly, this is a great pick. So there you go. 10 of the fastest growing indoor plants to give you that jungle look without the long wait. Whether you're after trailing vines, bushy greens, or a full indoor tree, these plants will definitely keep you busy with their fast growth. If you're new to plant care, start with something like Pothos or spider plant. They're not only fast, but also really forgiving. And if you're already a plant parent, consider adding something new from this list. You might be surprised at how quickly it takes off. Before you go, drop a comment and tell me which plant in your home grows the fastest, or if you're planning to add any of these to your collection. I'd love to hear about it. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like. It helps a lot. And subscribe for more plant care tips and ideas. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.